Okay, so I just chopped up. What are you doing? What are you doing? This is dinner. It's raw chicken with a lot of veggies and spices. Stop, Chris!
It's so good.
The chicken is down there, if you can see. About to stop! I'm about to put it in the oven.
Mark, can I record you?
No, I just chopped everything up. I
Cameraman.
just chopped everything up. And I'm making, I'm trying to eat healthy. It's just no salt. Stop, Chris! Christian's eating everything raw. And I'm making white rice. I know that rice is bad for you, but I'm trying to cut the salt because some certain family members have been getting high blood pressure, so I'm trying to cut the salt. But white rice should be okay for now. Oh, and I'm making peas. This is pea soup. Pea soup. Mira la boca. So, yeah. Chris, give me the foil. Hurry up. Oh, here. Don't take a video of me.
So this is my mom.
Okay, that's your mama. Querían comer menudo, but you know how much the sodium is in the menudo? 1100.
Look how good my mom does it.
Yeah, and look at Rocky. He's right there. He's watching Mama. Hi, Rocky. You're watching Mama. Hi, Rocky. You're watching the Mama boy. The Mama deal.
So basically, this is what my mom does.
The stinky butt boy. Yeah, mommy. Okie dokie.
This is my mom's halftime job.
Chris, why do you have a cup of water?
Because I'm thirsty.
Okay. You're not even videotaping right. So, you know, those are all the pans I took out of the oven. Because we're typical Mexicans. I keep everything in the oven. Look at that. It spilled over. Typical. Oh, look at that.
Mom, record me.
Is
the rice done?
No, it's not.
No. That's done. It's done because she turned it off.
Okie dokie. Who was eating tapatio?
Not me.
Oh, shoot, my
I'll
arm.
put it back.
Okay. So why isn't there no paper towels? I just bought a big pack of paper towels at Walgreens. Let me see. We got tons of them. I only buy Bounty. They've only had the cheap kind at Walmart, so I waited for Bounty to stock up. I love Bounty. I love the Bounty. So I bought a big, you know. So how many do we have left? 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 rows. We're good. Good to go, huh, Rocky? Ay, pendejo! What? So, what? Okay, hold on. Who dropped this? Oh my God. Okay. Who dropped my... I'm YouTubing. Okay, hold on. We got all kinds of toilet paper, baby. We're stocked up. Are we not? What?
All these towels are yours.
Oh, mira la ropa. Oh, it smells good in here. Look at that, baby girl.
Zoom in on me. Mom, take these towels.
I'm done. Put them away. So it's a nice day out today. Look at the grass is green. It's getting pretty. Let me go see Christian.
Turn on the light. Okay, put the light. These are Christian stuff.
No, you put them away, please. I'm cooking. Do you want to eat or not? Okay, I gotta put all those veggies away. I haven't even changed. I'm still wearing my clothes.
I broke the glass cup.
Why?
I did it on accident.
It's glass. It's not even glassy, Jack.
It's glass.
No seas mentiroso. It's ice from the snow. Ay, esa cara de nana. What?
¿Qué? Put this away.
So, it's still icy, huh? It's all muddy and nasty. Look at this. I hate that. Look at that.
Hey!
Everywhere. Ice.
I was wiping my feet.
I don't remember San Diego never being like this. Ever. This is all new to me. All new. Look at.
I was just happy. Because I said, where does this come
That's all ice. Muddy ice. Disgusting. Let me see if these guys have eaten all my food. Ooh-wee. Oh no, we went back to Walmart and we restocked more stuff. Like we got more chicken bags. Oh, and these ice creams were 75 cents a box. So we got 4 boxes. So there was more chicken, chorizo. Oh, and these are my faves. Mira, bolsas de pollo. They only have the 3 pounds, so I only bought 2, but I got all kinds of other stuff. Okay. Anyways. Hi, Rocky. Rocky. Correle, Rocky. Get him, boy. Get him, boy. So, hopefully, the snow stops and we can enjoy our vacation. ¿No se ha caído ya mi animal? So, aquí, porque ya estaba bonito. Ya se estaba mirando bonito. Ya nada, otra vez. Ojalá que... Mira, ahí está una cruz. Una cruz de madera. En la puerta. The little sheds. My shed is that one. The other one over here with the other door is the Frankie. Bueno, okay. Bye, Rocky. Voy a ir a hacer calabacito. Pues no sé qué más voy a hacer. Voy a picar pico de gallo ahorita. Mira todo lleno de lodo en todas partes. Mira ese miando el cochino. La-di-da-da-da. Ese cochinillo. Rocky, feo. Mira todo cómo me tiene en la puerta. Ok. Bye, bye. Bye, Rocky. Bye, Rocky. See you later, alligators.